So guys, we've just been waiting for this setup for some time now. I believe this is the high of the day, and I believe it has already been formed. So what we're just waiting is for the drop to take place into the lows. You know, I'm expecting the lows of the London Open lows to be taken out, also Asia's low, and pretty much previous week's lows. Those are my targets for the same. Price is moving steadily. I would not love to see price return back into that fair value gap right away, because it's pretty much like these two candles. They pretty much say like that candle may never be reached. So if I say any fast move towards that direction of that fair value gap, I'll be suspicious of my setup. That's not something I want to do right now. I want to see this 1 hour candle close below the previous hour's candle, with efficiency. So it's taking a lot. It's taking a lot of time. I know you're past the silver bullet time and everything, but patience. Just have to be patient a bit. You know, the most important thing in trading is patience. Those who are patient enough to wait for setups are the ones who usually get the pay. So you just have to be a bit patient and wait for this setup to pan out. So far not bad. So let me point out the pulls that I have when I look at price. There are a lot of liquidity pulls here, as you can see. Looks like a market's make a sell model on the 5 minutes. I wish price was cutting through was just cutting through like butter. It would have been something very promising. To just run fast with a fast move towards liquidity. It's usually a good thing. I bet everyone likes that. The market is never your friend. The market can fuck you up real fast. It can snap at you and make you a broken man or woman. So I don't want Forex is a scam. But a good thing. That's a good thing because this is not for everyone. Let's see what price wants to do. Let's just wait. We're just going to ride in that direction. I'll pretty much like to see price close below that 15 minutes fair value gap and make it an inversion. If you're looking at the 15-minute time frame, you can see there's an M15 fair value gap that's there, and I would like to see price close fast below that. This will still add to the confirmation, to my confirmation that we want to take price lower, but the market makers want to take price lower, even lower than it was last the previous week. A strict price left me. Do not love to see that happen again. I believe there's a M15 fair value gap around here. I think just around here. I believe somewhere around here. I believe I've pretty much run above everything, every buy side liquidity that there is, and that this is a manipulation leg. All that range during the London Open till now. Steadily, just moving steadily. I don't know when price will likely drop fast towards the pointed out liquidity. Let's just wait and see. I believe let's see. I'll love to see this gap remain unfilled. I'll love to see this candle and 15 candle just close. Close below at least 50% of that 15 BC. All this is liquidity resting here. This is London low, London Open. These are the lows. They are very attractive. Also this leg made during this run high. So I'll call this a market maker sell model because fast accumulation, accumulation to accumulation, that stage or accumulation, and this is the reversal, low sell, redistribution here, then drop, and then around, let's say around 6 o'clock, maybe that's when price may likely drop and run towards the liquidity I'm talking about. I'll have to see price not retrace back into that 5-minute fair value gap and just stay where it is right now. It will be very good. Just be calm, stay calm, and wait. Okay, the 15-minute candle just closed away from the 15 minutes fair value gap. It closed above, not even in the middle, and the consequent encroachment or anywhere around there, but far away from that. So I'll consider I might consider taking some positions off, but before that I'd love to see how this new candle closes. So price has shown interest in wanting to move away from that fair value gap, but I can't say that for sure. Maybe we might tap into that 5-minute fair value gap and drop lower. I'm not sure. Let's see what the other currency is saying. The British pound looks good. Respecting order flow beautifully. I can say about that about the euro dollar. Just trying to practice patience here. This new candle looks like it has a lot of momentum to the upside, but I believe we shall see. Either the first drop to the low was the manipulation leg, or this one is the manipulation leg to the upside. maybe price may run. To the upside, but we are never certain. That's why we speculate. But I'd love to see price deliver to the downside. Everything is pointing to the downside, so why can't it deliver to the downside? These candles, though they look like they have got some serious momentum, there is some serious momentum here. The 1 minute, oh, the 1 minute, you know, as you know, it's a very funny time frame to be looking at price. So I'll be looking from the angles of the 50 minutes. Okay, price seems to be running towards maybe this is a change in market structure, because on the 5 minutes I can also see this price inverted this 5 minute fair value gap. It was supposed to act as a CB, take price lower. I'm just going to collapse all the trades. Price does not look like it wants to deliver towards my side anymore. And price looks like we're very bullish. So I'm just waiting to see what price is trying to do right now. I'm sure probably in the wrong direction. Price is hunting for us. So we are still in that 5-minute fair value gap, and things are not looking quite good. It looks like our bias was biased. We forgot to look on the other perspectives of price. That price might do this and that. Well, let's wait and see. Good things come to those who wait. It will really please me to see price drop towards the previous week's low today. But sometimes we don't get what we want always. So I'm just watching his price and seeing and trying to figure out and letting price figure out what it wants to do. I'm sitting on my hands right now, though my stop loss is still above that intermediate and high. I've not checked out on that. Just watching and waiting to see how this plays out. If it hits that intermediate term high, then that means I was wrong, of course, and someone else was right. It's never a good thing to call highs and lows in a live stream. I'm watching, but it's good to be honest and say what you think. So still price is consolidating on the euro dollar inside that 5-minute fair value gap. I can see a retracement on the British pound to the upside, so probably I'm wrong. That's a probability, or probably I'm right. But it's part of trading. That's how we learn, through mistakes, through missteps. Just have to close the trade and say, oh, what did I not see that could have made me avoid that loss? Sometimes it's not you. It's just the way it is. It's the way of the markets. If the 5 minute closes above that wick, I'm just gonna have to close this trade. I think even with the spreads, it's still gonna get me. I took a trade with a broker that saw volatility as an advantage. It's okay. I love that. out, guys. I've just closed all the positions that I had open on the euro dollar. They were going against me, of course. Price has just been consolidating inside the same 5-minute fair value gap inside that breaker. I don't think there's any possibility of price even. I don't know what's happening. Just they have collapsed all my trades. That move above with that body scared me off. I took my trades off. I'm going though to still take trade and wait and to see what price is going to be doing. Price is still, I know it's just persuading traders to take longs, some to take shorts in this. So this might not be the right time to be taking the short, or this might be the right time to be taking the shorts. You never know. But I'm out. I took out my positions when I saw price dancing around. That was not a good thing. As you can see it, we're just even, we closed above this, the 50% of this fair value gap, which means price likely, very likely going to run that short-term high. We just closed above the 50% of that wick with this candle's body. I don't think there's any way it's going to reverse from this point. I think this is it. These are the moments where they make a trader make bad decisions about themselves. They're sure about their setup, but with this consolidation they want, like, oh, maybe price is not doing what it should be doing. Remove all this rush. Just to candle has formed. I believe that's the one that's going to hit the nail on the top, pass through the roof. So for those of us who are long, we're in for a rude shock. It's going to be the most weird price action I've ever seen. We are inside a macro. This is the 550 to 610 macro inside a 5-minute fair value gap. I'm just looking at the bodies of this previous candle and see where they want to close it. If they close below that, then I might take another shot, the last one of the day. I already took a previous shot. So if it closes, this 5-minute candle closes below the previous 3 5-minute candles with efficiency, I'm gonna have to go for some serious shots if that happens. Okay, I've just opened 2 positions on that. I've opened 2 positions. I've added another one. The 1 minute is moving swiftly. I love that. Everything is going not bad. I've just added some more positions with my stop loss just above the previous 5 minute or the previous intermediate, the previous 5 minute that made the high. I think this macro is the one that's going to deliver price to the downside. I've just added another one. I'm using the 1 minute to take entries, by the way. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I've been taking entries on this 1 minute time frame to minimize my risk. So I took my short here. It was on this candle as it was trying to retrace. I put my stop loss here. So I'm targeting still the previous the London lows and stuff. Those are the things that I'm still targeting. So I've added some more entries, and this one is, I think, the best of them all. No, this is not my target. I'm targeting London low. So I have at least 6 positions open. I'm targeting this low, and pretty much so many other lows below here. This is my first target for the day. Okay, I think this was not a green day for me. Just going to be waiting, though I think I have to collapse my trades. Price is not on the good side. Just consolidating is still inside that range. Damn. So I've just started collapsing my trades, guys, because damn, that retracement was not good. It was a very huge retracement. Price is just fucking around today with me. I collapsed 2 of my trades, guys. This is how live trading is in real life. You just have to hold your ass through until price delivers, even though it's not pregnant. Damn. Please drop, drop, drop like you love me. Drop, drop, drop like you can. Drop like you can. Please drop. That's my heart in my hands. Price is just fucking around. The 1 minute price action is promising. Is very, very promising. And compared to this shit, if you look on the other higher time frames, just seeing wicks everywhere. Wicks, 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 wicks. Please close below that 5 minute previous low. Please do that for me. Do that for me, please, love. Please do that for me. Do that. I love that. I'm adding more positions, guys. I love that. Now close. I just need a close. That's what I want. Let me adjust my fucking stoppings to something. Moderator, so I'm careful. Price for like for that Gbpusd house, we were inside that 5 minute fair value gap, waiting for price to drop. And what did price do to us? Played with our heads, played with our minds, acted like he did not care. But every monkey, or we say every dog, has its day. Let's just wait. Guys, I'm going to let this stream continue. I need to mute for some second. I need to get something, some water. And, you know, my pressure went down for some minutes here.